Yes.
And there we go. Just
Wow.
now it's gonna explode.
I'm scared.
Hey, look how the sports are fucking me Yuck. So eat first.
Hi everyone! Happy Sunday. So Pat and I, we just got breakfast, or kind of like breakfast lunch. We didn't really eat breakfast, but we worked out. We got our breakfast slash lunch at Songyongdong, and then we went grocery shopping. I had to go to Tokyo Central, and then we had to go to 99 Ranch because Tokyo Central did not need everything that I needed off my list. Okay, but I mostly went to Tokyo Central because my sister for Christmas got me dumplings and noodles by Pippa Middlehurst. And yeah, I saw this during Bria's birthday little excursion where we went to the USC Asia Pacific Museum, which that's in like Pasadena. And they had this book, but it was like $30. And then I come to find out it was on Amazon for like 12. So I was like, okay, like I'll just put that on my list for Christmas. Cause you know, around Christmas time, now that I'm an adult, it's hard to find things that I actually like truly want. Like I gotta save things in my mind of like small little things that I, you know, need to get now. So yeah, this was one of my things. So yeah, I'm like trying to make it a thing, not to like get every single recipe like done one per week, but just like every once in a while go in here and find one that I'm really interested in cooking for that week. So I actually found one, and it is the miso clam ramen, and this looks so good. We always get ramen and stuff like that, and so I'm trying to cook more at home these days. So yeah, I got all the ingredients for this and I'm really excited, and we even have some live clam that is now asleep in the refrigerator. So yeah, the cook time, I think they said the prep is 10 minutes, but the cooking is 15 minutes. So it's not gonna take that much time. Pat went to go take Remy out to the bathroom before he gets his dinner. But yeah, I'm going to start prepping, which is like cutting, soaking the noodles and everything. And then yeah, we're gonna get right to cooking and we're gonna see if I can nail it. So let's go. Sorry, you're seeing Culinary Wars in the back because Pat and I has been binging it, and also our Christmas tree is naked because Pat wants to take the tree down tomorrow. So we just took all of our ornaments and stuff off. So sad that like Christmas is over with. Like I literally blinked and it's gone. But anyway, so what's really cool is Pat got this for me like a couple weeks ago, and this was for like my future endeavors for all like my book you know, things that I do, like book events, like how I did like the local authors market like a couple weeks ago. And so he got me this. But also when I'm not doing book events, it's really cool to have this. So it's kind of like helps me keep the page for the cookbook, which I think is really cool. So this will help me as I'm like going through this. I feel very much like my mother right now, which is a good thing. All right, so I've got my green onions in this one, all of my nice little mushrooms in this one. I've got 2 little shallots and ginger. So let's get to dicing. I'm so scared. Woo!
Hi, my name is Fiona Rose, and I am under the title Lotus Petal Art. I'm at the 562 Arts Roots Artist Showcase, and these are my pieces right here. So I have She's Tranquility, Planted and It Will Grow, and then Anointed. So if you want to see more of my art, you can find me at Lotus Petal Art on Instagram, and then lotuspetal.art.